What's up guys, this is Mike from Terrestrial Imaging, and in this video we'll be unboxing the Mavic 2 Enterprise and the Mavic 2 Enterprise Fly More Kit. First I'm going to take the Fly More Kit and I'm going to put it to the side, and we're going to get started with the Mavic 2 Enterprise. So out of the cardboard box, you have the two foam pieces protecting the case, and you have the case itself with everything packed in, and then you just have this little sheet telling you how to pack everything into your case. So behind the case, I have it propped up with a little box, that way you guys could see better. So you open it right away. You have the controller right here. We have an accessory box, another accessory box. You have this foam piece protecting the Mavic itself. And so here we have the Mavic 2 Enterprise. And so I'm going to put that off to the side. You have a little baggie, 3 more baggies, cable, and now this is the cool part. You have the module accessories for the Mavic 2 Enterprise. So we'll talk about those in a second. And the foam piece that holds them comes out, and under that you have compartments for your batteries, and then you have the charger itself. And so that's everything that comes inside the case. And so now we're going to show you what each piece is. Alright, now that we've got everything out of the case, I'm just going to take everything one by one and identify it. So first of all, you got the case that it comes in. You have the drone itself over here, and the Mavic 2, just like the original Mavic and the other Mavic 2 is foldable, so we'll unfold it. Here you have the controller. And so the first thing you'll notice when you get the controller is that it doesn't have the sticks attached, so don't panic. What you're going to do is you're going to unfold the mobile device holder, and then right there you're going to have your sticks, and so you're going to take them out and you're going to attach them. So again, don't freak out when you see those, don't see those sticks. And so here we have a cover that goes on top of the Mavic 2 that covers the module accessory port. Here we have a box, and it's a big box. You might think that there's hardware in there, but it's not. You open it up, there's your user manuals, and so it's recommended that you read that, get familiar with your aircraft. Here you have a box full of cables for connecting the different mobile devices to your controller. Here it comes with 3 pairs of propellers. Here's your charging brick, an adapter, and the cable that goes to your battery, and then the power cable that goes to the wall. And then over here we have your module accessories. So you have the speaker itself, the spotlight, the beacon, and those all attach to the Mavic on top on that module accessory port. And so the last thing too to point out is that the battery comes installed in the aircraft, and you get one with this combination. And so that's all the components that come with the Mavic 2 Enterprise. And so those are all the components that come with the Mavic 2 Zoom Enterprise. So I'm going to pack everything up back into the case, and then we're going to unbox the Mavic 2 Enterprise Fly More Kit. Alright, now we're going to unpack the Mavic 2 Enterprise Fly More Kit. And so the reason we're doing this in the same video is because those of you familiar with DJI know that typically their drones come with a standard edition and then a Fly More edition. The way they're doing it with the Mavic 2s is you get a Fly More kit separately. So that's why I want to unbox it. Chances are you're going to want this kit because it comes with the extra batteries, propellers, and the shoulder bag that you might need or want, and extra chargers as well. So let's open everything up. Alright, so we've removed everything from the box. As you can see, it came packed very neatly in the shoulder bag. And so in the shoulder bag, we have a full set of propellers. We have 2 batteries. And in these 2 boxes, we have 2 different chargers. So we're going to open these up. And so in this box, the smaller box, we have the car charger, which is important for charging your batteries on the go. And then in this box, we should have the multi-charger. So here's the multi-charger. Got a little plastic sleeve over it. And so with this charger, you charge up to 4 Mavic 2 Enterprise batteries. And then so also came with the charger, you have a shoulder strap for your bag. And so, and also you have the cable or the adapter for the multi-charger. And so that's everything that comes with the Mavic 2 Enterprise Fly More kit. So that's it, guys. That's everything that comes with the Mavic 2 Zoom Enterprise and the Mavic 2 Fly More kit. And so I just want to point out the Mavic 2 Enterprise comes with just 1 battery. So the Fly More kit is highly recommended from Terrestrial Imaging with the initial purchase of the Mavic 2 Enterprise. And the reason that is because it comes with the extra batteries and the chargers that you need. And it also comes at a discount as opposed to buying these items separately. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been informative. If you're looking to purchase any of this equipment, reach out to Terrestrial Imaging, everyone's favorite DJI Enterprise dealer.